HP DeskJet 2700 series setup. Connect to Wi-Fi, installing drivers. First, unbox the printer properly, carefully remove the printer from the box, along with ink cartridges, power cable, and manuals. Remove all protective tapes and orange plastic from inside and outside the printer. Second, plug in and power on the printer. Connect the power cable to the printer and an electric socket. Press the power button and wait for the printer to turn on. Lights will blink. This is normal during the first time setup. Third, installing cartridges and write slots. Lift the ink access door and wait for the carriage to move to the center. Insert the black cartridge on the right and tricolor cartridge on the left. Push them in gently until they click, then close the door. Fourth, load paper into the paper tray. Pull out the input tray and load some A4 size plain paper. Adjust the paper width guides so the paper fits correctly and doesn't jam. Slide the tray back in. Fifth, install the HP Smart app. Go to your mobile's Play Store or App Store and search for HP Smart. On PC, visit 123.hp.com and download the HP Smart app to proceed with the setup. Sixth, enable wireless setup mode. Press and hold the wireless and cancel buttons together for about 5 seconds. The Wi-Fi light will start blinking, which means the printer is ready to connect to a network. Seventh, the printer to Wi-Fi using the app. Open the HP Smart app tab, set up a new printer, select your printer, choose your Wi-Fi network and enter the password to connect the printer. Eighth, install printer drivers on computer, optional, if you're setting up on a PC or laptop, visit 123.hp.com to download the latest driver and full-feature software. Follow the prompts to complete the setup. Ninth, align the ink cartridges automatically. After installing the ink, the printer will print an alignment page. Use the HP Smart app or scanner to scan this page for accurate ink alignment. 10th, print a test page to finish setup. To confirm everything is working, use the HP Smart app or PC to print a test page. Your printer is now ready for everyday use like printing, scanning, and copying.